my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing another nail video. I was shopping on SHOPMISSA and they had a couple of new items that I really wanted to try out, and I thought I would try it for this video in case anyone wants to know if these are actually legit. So if you've never shopped on the website SHOPMISSA, most of their products are $1. Some of them are like $5 or more, but everything is incredibly affordable. Some things are more expensive because they donate to causes, like it'll be like $1.44, but everything is so cheap. Like they have dollar makeup that is actually super good. Like I've gotten a couple foundations, some concealer, and just other things that were $1 or like around $1 and so good. So I'm gonna have high hopes for their nail products as well. If you've seen other of my videos, you'll know that I have been at a war with press-on nails to just try and get it to last and look good and not break. So I saw that they have a new super nail glue. It's from AOA Studio. It's a brush-on strong bonding nail glue. This one did cost $1.44 because part of the proceeds go to the A+ Foundation, which supports children's education through like donating books and supplies and other things like that. I love that it's a brush on because all of the other nail glues I've tried are just like in a squeezy bottle. You have to like dot on your nail. So the brush on, it sounds like a lot simpler. That's my cat. A lot simpler of a method because it's just like brushing on nail polish. And then they also had these new DIY press-on nails that are clear. These would have been so helpful when I was trying to do the UV gel curing with press-on nails because I could not find like completely clear nails anywhere. But they have several different shapes. They have like square, almond, coffin shape, stiletto. I believe I got stiletto. Yes, I got stiletto, and these were only $1. It comes with 24, it says they're reusable, different sizes. So we are going to be testing these out today. Something I like to add in every video where I mention AOA products is that they are cruelty-free and they are so cheap. So it just goes to show for other larger brands that you don't have to be expensive to be cruelty-free. You can offer products for $1 and still be cruelty-free. It's that easy. Okay, so hopefully this is close enough. To prep my nails, I will be doing a couple of things. First, I'm going to cut my nails back to make sure that the ones that are longer actually fit underneath the press-on nail so it doesn't like come out underneath. I did already go through these and try them on and write down each number that fits best for my hand. Okay, since these are actually pretty long, I might not have to do any trimming. Yeah, so I think we're actually good, which is great because I like to keep my nails long and grow them out. So something that everyone tells me in every single video is that I need to file the top of my nails more so that it creates a rough surface that allows the glue and the press-on nail to grip better. I don't like doing that because I don't like damaging my natural nail to put press-on nails. However, I'm gonna do a little bit more this time. I don't know how much is appropriate, but I will be doing more than usual so we can really give this a good test. I'm sure if I don't file them enough, you will let me know. So I'm just taking a nail file and roughing up the tops of my nails against my will. Yeah, making them look nice and ugly. You can push back your cuticles for this, and I know a lot of people recommend that, but I've been seeing a lot of stuff recently about how it's actually kind of bad to push back your cuticles and it leaves you more susceptible to bacteria. I'm gonna leave my cuticles as is. They're all roughed up now. I'm not gonna focus on like the shape of my nail because it'll be, you know, covered by the nail. I know that like some are square, some are almond, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then to take off any excess oils that are on my nails, as well as just get all of the excess particles from filing my nail, I'm gonna take some alcohol on just a cotton pad and put that on all of my nails just to dry them out. Okay, while those dry, I am going to paint these nails. You don't have to paint them before you place them, but it mentions doing it on the packaging, so that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to be painting them this like sparkly black grayish color. I got this from Dollar Tree and it's China glaze. Usually China glaze is a lot more expensive than $1.25, so I had to score that. Okay, so for my thumbs, I'm going to do 2. My pointer finger is going to be 5. So my middle finger is 4. My ring finger is, I put 5 or 6. We'll do 6. And then my pinky is number 8. So I will need to do 2 coats for this, and you really don't need to see this, so I'm gonna just finish up and be back. Okay, so I applied 2 coats of the China glaze, and then I put a top coat on. This is the sarahbeeyt. So the super nail glue, it says to apply to both the nail and the tip, which is something I haven't been doing. So I'm gonna start with the thumbs. I'm gonna first brush it on my nail. Just like a thin coat. And also to the nail. Then just press on. It says to hold it for 5 seconds, but I feel like I should hold it for longer than that. I think most things say like 30 seconds. Okay, there we have that. That is actually a lot longer than I thought. It looked shorter on this. So that much longer than my natural nail, and I think my thumbnail is already kind of long. Okay, so we have both our thumbs on. It's a little difficult to get it on both your nail and the press-on nail quick enough before it starts drying because this dries down really quickly. Next, I'm gonna do the pointer. Okay, holy crap, I don't know what just happened, but this got knocked over. I tried cleaning it up with a disinfectant wipe and it started sizzling and like burnt my desk. Okay, we're gonna have to deal with that later. It is also all over my hands, so that's just lovely, but I just wanna get this over with. Okay, so here they are on. I think I will still file them down a little bit because they are longer than I'm used to. If you get the glue, be careful. It is all over my hand and my table, so I'm gonna go put on some gloves and try to clean this mess up. One already fell off today, so I'm gonna glue that back on and hopefully it stays longer. Also, I don't know how people do things with long nails, like especially with the trend of them being so much longer than this. I was trying to take the lens cap off of my camera and like I couldn't do it. Try to get my credit card out of my wallet. So difficult. How do people do it? And why? Okay, so I last filmed this on Sunday. That's when I applied all of the nails. And it is now Friday. We have 2 left, only middle fingers. Specifically the middle finger on each hand. I lost about like roughly at least 1 per day. More like 2 each day. I think I filmed on Sunday, I said that one had already fallen off, and like after that I got in my car to go somewhere and another one fell off, and then another one fell off the next morning. So given that they didn't even last a week, let alone 24 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and say that this glue is just not it. I even did prep work for my nails, buffing them to make it a rougher surface, using the alcohol, applying the glue to both the nail and my natural nail, like all of that, and it can't even make it 24 hours. I think you're safer going for a glue just at the drugstore that might be a couple more dollars, but is definitely going to work a lot better. Because if a glue can't even hold up for a week, what's the point? The nails themselves I really like, and I think they're a great deal. They were just $1 and they're definitely reusable. I like the smoothness of them. Length is a little bit long for me, but I'm sure other people would really enjoy the length. And they did have other lengths and shapes of nails if I wanted something shorter. Since they are clear, I do want to try the UV gel under the lamp thing with these, since it's like clear. But I don't know if that'll actually happen because it didn't go well the past few times. So I will say the nails themselves, definitely worth buying. The glue, no, I would not buy it. But this China Glaze nail polish that I got from Dollar Tree, absolutely yes. So that is all I have for this video. I was really hoping for something better, that this nail glue was really gonna work since it's so cheap, but I guess for some things you really get what you pay for. So thank you so much for watching. You should give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below if there's something specific you want to see me review on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.